So this video is all about law of variable proportion. So in economics, this law play a very important role because it identifies how much production is going on with keeping a one factor constant and changing another factor. So let's start with the schedule of it. So first take units of labor. It's the variable part. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then its total production means in quantity. So it's 80, 170, 270, 368, and it's 430 and 480, 504, then 504, then 495, and finally 480. These digits are completely hypothetical. So if we come to the marginal production, it is nothing but additional to the total production. So here it 80 is added to total production, then 90 is added, then 100, then 98, then 62, 50, 24, 0, minus 9, and minus 15. Now its average product here. Average products is all about how a individual unit will produce. So at first level it is 80 because the unit of labor is single here, and now it's 85 because if we divide 170 means total production by the number of units, then it will automatically come 85 here, then 90, 92, 96, then 80, 72, 63, 55, 48. So the law of variable proportion deals with this trend of average production. So what's going on this average production trend? As first it increasing, then it's decreasing at a very high rate, right? If we come to the marginal production context, then first it is increasing, then it's decreasing, becoming zero, and then negative. If we come to the total production, first increasing with an increasing rate, then increasing with a decreasing rate at max, and then starts falling. So let's focus mainly on now its graph part. So if we just draw the graph from this schedule, then our graph will be looking like yeah. So this is here total production, and here marginal production and average production. So making graph from the previous schedule we have, then we will come to know that total production will be like this. If we try to draw average production and marginal production, then it would be like see, uh, like average margin production first increase with an increasing rate, then start falling, becoming zero, and then negative. It's marginal production. When we say of uh, average production, then it's just first increase, and then meet somewhere, and then it starts falling. So it is very practical to think, if see the total production start falling, then automatically this average product will start falling. As long as the total product will rising, the average product keep on rising, but even this with a very conserved rate. So this point is also known as point of inflection. So now we can determine the stages: first stage, second stage, and the third stage. So this first stage is all about increasing return to a factor, then constant return, then returns with diminishing rate. So now it is very clear to you guys to define this law of variable proportion. So it is all about keeping one factor of production constant. If we rise in another factor of production, then the total production first increase with an increasing rate, then increase with a decreasing rate, and then start falling. Or we can say that keeping one factor of production constant, if we keep on increasing the variable factor, then first marginal rate of production increase, then start falling, become equal to zero, then start negative. Or average product first increase, then at its max when total production become constant, and then starts falling. So thank you guys for your view.